Hi, I'm Kevin Derman, the CEO of Kaskade, and today we are speaking to Carl Wallace, the CEO of Digital HQ, and we're chatting about a company of theirs, ydox, that has recently moved onto AWS. Carl, can you tell us a bit about ydox first?
So ydox is a work tool. So companies use a lot of various platforms to complete various functions within their business, like file management, chat tools, note tools. So we've taken all those kind of functions and built it into one platform and created a comprehensive work tool.
Right. So very much a work and a collaboration platform in one.
So yes, if it's all your file management, your collaboration, your communication, everything grouped into one platform.
Great. And what kind of challenges were you experiencing from a business and from a technical point of view?
I think firstly the problem we tried to address was cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is becoming a massive problem all over the world, and companies are really struggling on how to solve that, because you solve one problem and the hackers find a new way of attacking you. So what we've done is we've taken all the communication sort of risks in email and moved that into a secure environment. So the need for email is much less with ydox, because all your handling of files and your correspondence between clients is happening within a secure environment.
Right. So all happening within the platform itself.
Yeah.
If we were to look at the technical challenge on why you looked at using AWS, what would that be?
Firstly, we needed a cloud solution that will allow us to scale, elastically without having to wait for service providers to increase our capacity and performance and that. So there's nothing like that available currently in South Africa. So we were forced to go internationally, and after reviewing the services out there, AWS was the natural choice for us, mainly because of performance, reputation, but also security. Security was a big factor for us.
Right. And you moved from a locally hosted solution into AWS, but into their Dublin data centers.
Yes.
And perhaps you can tell us a bit about the experience of what you've seen from a performance point of view.
Well, I mean, we've had a 300% increase in our general performance. The stability have gone from our stability charts doing this to literally doing that, and just reliability as a whole. The service is just a lot more reliable. I mean, we haven't had any downtime. So there's that, and also latency. I'm experiencing better latency in the international environment than I am with the local providers.
I think that's certainly a clear message to say you don't have to wait for local data centers in order to appreciate the benefit of cloud.
Yeah,
from that side. So AWS and the AWS solution that was crafted for ydox is involving containerization. Yeah. I know, and there's many services that are in your stack, and I'm not going to ask you to go into all of those particular services, but you mentioned some of the metrics that you've had for success, and maybe we can just focus again in on that. And you say a 300% increase in performance.
Yeah, I think that was the main thing, because people are working with files, and we've got live editing of Office documents, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint inside of ydox. So your server response times is critical. It really impacts the user's experience.
Yeah.
So speed and performance is hugely important, and a 300% jump is enormous, and that jump came with almost a double in the increase of usage as well. So it's really been phenomenal.
Right. The ultimate test of cloud is really in the customer's experience, and I think here we've got a great example of the customer, ydox, their customer really experiencing that great increase in performance and then the usability, and I think in ydox's experience of utilizing AWS as a service.
Yeah, it's been great.
Great. Thank you, Carl.
Thanks, Kevin.